If you want to turn kitchen scraps into black gold to feed your plants and improve your garden, this is the video for you. Welcome to Dad and Son DIY It All, and today we're going to show you how to turn your kitchen scraps into garden compost. Now, be sure to stick around to the end to see how we use our compost and how we get it to the perfect consistency. If you're a little squeamish, you may want to brace yourself for this video. However, it's just old kitchen scraps. To start with, you want to get the proper mix of browns. We use everything from hay to old leftover newspapers to this is stuffing that was put inside of a package to protect it. Then you take your kitchen scraps. We use everything from coffee grounds, including the filters, onions, anything that isn't meat or dairy essentially goes in our compost. It's also a good time to mention that we have a Dad and Son Cook and Eat It All channel as well, where we try a lot of these foods you're seeing here. But let us know in the comments if you have any leftovers that you never get to. I feel that people are going to tell us they never have leftover donuts. But we put in everything, like I said, including hot sauce, you name it, the compost loves it. The great thing about composting, in our opinion, is it goes full circle. Instead of putting this stuff in a landfill, we're able to use some of this rotten stuff, some of the stuff we just didn't maybe enjoy, or stale items, and we return it to our soil where we grow even more food. So it is a direct, right back, full circle recycling situation. So let us know some of the items and comments below that you put in your compost. And if you haven't started composting, please use this video as inspiration to get out there and do it. Now, here's another great thing we allowed to throw in. If you got poinsettias or old plants that have died or didn't make it, this was a poinsettia from Christmas. It didn't make it into the spring. So dirt and all, including the perlite in the soil, we put right in there. And then you want to make sure you cap it with more browns. This will keep the smell down, but it'll also help get your brown to green ratio correct. Now we're going to go ahead and cap this barrel composter, which we leave on our patio because it's in full direct sun. It's also more secure to keep the critters out. But then we take this, because there's a bottom chute, and we bring it over to our tumbler where we finish it. By putting it in there, we can tumble and aerate it, and out comes this beautiful black gold that we use everywhere throughout the garden. We absolutely love this stuff. It improves our beds, our gardens, our pots. Our plants love it. They absolutely thrive. And our veggies and our fruits, such as our strawberries and cantaloupes, do amazing with this. So be sure to check out more of our DIY, especially our lawn and garden videos. And we hope to see you in the next one. We appreciate you, and I hope consider subscribing and liking the video. Take care.